Simplicity, oh no, Garden Mark Squire. Looks like it's Simplicity. Another sandwich in. I've seen a lot of those up here today. Sounds good. Very nice. Cool. What we got here? This huge engine, $500. Neat. A little generator, 250. Check out this Ford tractor over here in the next aisle on the flatbed. That's awesome. All right, let's see. All right, we got a Gravely 14G here. That's a pretty nice tractor, huh? I think you must drive it around at the show. HO trains. Look at all them. Anything cool in there? Little tiller over here with a crawler on it. Nice. This guy has an Alaska license plate. When have you ever seen anyone driving around with a Alaska license plate? That's cool. Look at this cool old truck here. Sweet. Nice little Maytag over here. Look at this big jack of all trades Fairbanks back here. That's cool. That sucker. A little McCormick Deering with a water pump here. Even got a little bucket with rubber ducks in it. That's pretty neat display. Gould's pump. There we go, an Abernathy up here. Pretty cool engine. Neat. Oh, a John Deere pedal tractor. Check out this dude's truck, man. I wish you could smell the exhaust. Sweet. That V4 Wisconsin on this bad boy here. Got a Spirit of 76 Cub Cadet over there. That's cool. Got a bunch of little Briggs. Yeah, they're neat. Compasses. Alamo Blue Line. That's pretty cool. A nice John Deere. 1938 Model A. That's a beauty there. John Deere here. It's got a buzzsaw rig on the front. That's an old one too. I like it. Here's a Wheelhorse B80. That looks cool. What we got over here? The John Deere M. We got a D series Wheelhorse here with an Onan engine in it. C185, that's cool. The 520, the ultimate machine. We got here a 16 automatic. It's pretty cool. Sweet white tractor. That thing's cool, huh? Hot air engine running on propane. Like someone rigged up a propane igniter into it from a heater or a fryer instead of burning coal or firewood in it. 24-inch. And I got a John Deere 110. There's a bunch of old Briggs down here. Yeah, I like these old foot start ones. What do they call them? FAs or something like that? I forget. Pretty cool. Ford tractor. What do we got up here? Just another Abernac. Where is it? Sweet. Geyser. That's a cool old engine, huh? Oh, he just turned it off. A couple old homies down here. Merritt Hardware, Bridgeport, Connecticut. Cool. Fairbanks, 8-horse over here. Nice. That is cool. That's a beautiful engine. Fairbanks up here. We got a loud Maytag over here. It's washing clothes. Sweet. Let's see. Now we're talking. cool. What do we got here? What's this thing? A domestic. That's a beautiful engine. Got an air compressor on there or something? Yeah, it must be, or something. I don't know. Got a Blackstone oil engine here from England. Cool. Holland engine. That's cool. Those are cool, huh? Junior. Came here from Maine. Cool as that. What is this? A coffee grinder or something? That looks like a coffee grinder. Huh. Stover CT3, $300. It only has one flywheel. That's weird. Cream over here. Hit and miss. Oh, great. We have a real mower over here. Fairbanks seed. They're calling a salt block. Cool. Cool Briggs and Stratton sign. I like that. Right here, drill press. Carbs. We got over here a bunch of little Briggs engines down here. Look at the head on that one. The spark plug comes out sideways. That's interesting. That's cool. 3-horse generator. Look at this bad boy here, huh? That's cool. Blade sharpener. Huh. Look at that. A saw blade sharpener. That is cool. Huh. That is pretty awesome. Huh. Hooked up to a Abernac engine. That is quite the engine there, huh? That thing is sweet. Wow. Bulldog International. Another nice one here. Another Abernac. What do we got here? Corn grinder, maybe? John Deere 720 on a single mill. That's for sale. It looks heavy. Own and generator up there. A couple things on this trailer. International. Nice. Cool. Chains on the Honda. And this trailer here. Fancy trailer. Must be fancy stuff in it. What are all these things? Pumps, huh? That's interesting. They're like fire pumps or something. Huh. Bunch of rusty junk over there. Yeah, beaver tractors. Here we go, little Briggs. John Deere beef. Nice. For sale, $20 Clinton engine. There we go.
We should have
Check this ride out. Dude, that thing is sick. Some rock crushers over here. Cool. Another nice John Deere. Pretty cool engineer. It's got a little generator on the back, and it's a what's it called? An Allen Brothers. I never heard of one of them. That's cool. Frosty weather. Drain cylinder jacket when not working. That's cool. What we got over here? A Reed. We got a Reed at Zagre Farm. 2-horse Fairbanks over here. It's pretty neat. Is this a Bessemer over here? A big one. Yeah, it is a Bessemer. Yep. Bessemer back here. Got a nice rhythm to it. Nice. Royce engine on the sawmill over here. That's pretty cool. It's a big radiator. Rolls Royce engine's here. Fairbanks Morse, that's a beauty, huh? The old Alice Chalmers over here. Wow, that's cool. Nice screen cooled here.
That could also make the home.
Man, that's a cool engine, huh? Really cool. City Iron Works steam engine. Too bad there's no steam. The Farmall F12. That's a nice tractor, huh? To drop that plow down, do some plowing. A Titusville Olin gas engine. A little bit of oil on the bottom. Pretty cool. Pretty neat stuff. Right there. Nice. Dairy Queen stop on the way home here. Got some Dairy Queen here. A little blizzard with M&M's action. Score. This place is so cool up here. It's called the Sayville Dam and Barkhamsted Reservoir. Man, it is a beautiful, beautiful spot. Look at this building. Looks like a church chapel or something. It's absolutely beautiful.